Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. It's all about saving money, getting some really good deals, and just enjoying life in general. So if you are interested in that, I'm going to be doing a completely new series where I'm going to be talking about how to save money, basically. If you are kind of like on a low income, maybe you might be working, you might not, you might be on benefits, and how to get like the best deals, really. So I'm going to be talking about holidays in the UK, going abroad. I'm going to be talking about shopping. So another one will be a walk with the family somewhere local from your house, even if it's to like the local park. Take some drinks, take some snacks from home, Bob's your uncle. You've got a nice afternoon out then. Number two is, finding those deals. So, like the 2-for-1 deal for like, say, like the theme parks and stuff. There's lots of ways that you can save, and there will be. I'm going to do a video, say, on that very, very soon, so stay tuned. Number three is going to the beach. Again, there will be a video about going to the beach, say, on a budget when you go out for the evening. So I went out a few weeks ago, and basically I was very much kind of like, I don't want to spend that much, just going out is so expensive. So I kept with the same drink. I didn't buy any drinks for any other people, and I set myself a budget of no more than like £70, and that was including my meal, and I done it. So that was really, really good. I've got much more better now at kind of saving and not spending when I don't have to. So there will be a lot more videos on this coming up very, very soon. Let me know in the comments, like, what would you like to see? Let me know. So if you've got a family who maybe are, like mine, autistic and that, then finding, my arm's getting achy, finding ways to save is really good. So if your child is entitled to a blue badge, get them a blue badge. So you can get, maybe I should do a whole video on this, but we'll do it in this one anyway. If you have a disabled child, say he's or she's autistic, but you don't drive, what you can do is that you can still get it, okay? Because you may have friends or family who may drive you places, doing more of the kind of saving money hacks and stuff, and also showing you some of the things that you hear that? You can't see it, but I can. Yeah, basically, I'll do a whole review on the holiday and stuff. Coming up will be how to save money on clothes, where's the best places to get kids clothes, especially at a bargain price. So everyone, I didn't finish the video, so I'm going to finish it now. Why don't you go over and watch the shopping hauls and reviews on this playlist here, and this Shein video as well. Catch you later.